Stage 5, Computing Technology, Outcome CT5-DAT-01. This explains how data is stored, transmitted, and secured in digital systems, and how information is communicated in a range of contexts. In today's world, we use apps and online systems every day, such as Google Classroom, email, and school portals. This outcome is about understanding where data is stored, how data is sent through networks and the internet, and how it is protected using security methods like passwords, permissions, and encryption. It also helps explain how information is communicated in different situations, such as school, business, and social media. Scenario: the Google Classroom for students. CT5-DAT-01. A teacher uses Google Classroom to post lessons, collect homework, and give feedback. Students use their laptops, school desktops, tablets, or phones at home to access coursework, assessments, and tasks. 1. How is data stored within the Google Classroom environment? The teacher uploads worksheets, tasks, and assessments to Google Classroom. The teacher's file is stored in Google Drive using cloud storage. Students' works are also saved in Google Drive, often in a classroom folder. 2. How is data transmitted and received within the Google Classroom environment? When the teacher uploads a file, it is sent from the teacher's device to Google servers using the internet. Students download or open the file through Wi-Fi at school or their home internet, such as NBN, and mobile data via their internet service provider, such as Optus, Telstra, or TPG. When students submit or transmit their work, the data is sent back to the Google servers and linked to the class. The teacher then retrieves the student's work using their login details. 3. How is data secured or protected within the Google Classroom environment? Students and teachers must log in using a secure username and password authentication. Google uses encryption, so data is harder for hackers to read while it travels online. The teacher controls permissions, such as students can view only or edit. Only class members can access the class materials. The department, school rules and protocols support security. Students and teachers must use strong passwords to ensure that only authorized people can access their accounts and private information. Students and teachers must log out of their Windows devices by using the Windows plus the L keys. Do not share class codes and sensitive information publicly. 4. How is information communicated within the Google Classroom environment? The teacher communicates using announcements and messages that are posted on Google Classroom to the whole class. Assignments, assessments, and tasks are sent with due dates, marks, and instructions. The teacher provides comments and feedback to individual students or the class as a whole. Students communicate by submitting files and asking questions and comments and replying to teacher feedback. When we understand how data is stored, transmitted, and secured, we can use digital systems safely and responsibly. This knowledge helps us protect privacy, reduce cyber risks, and communicate clearly in many real-world contexts.